Let's dive into the world of hardware description languages. This is an introduction to digital design. Hardware description languages are specialized languages used for modeling and simulating digital systems. We'll be touching on three key languages: Verilog VHDL and System Verilog. So, what exactly are hardware description languages, or HDLs? Well, they are specialized programming languages used to describe the structure and behavior of electronic circuits and digital systems. Some of the key features of hardware description languages are concurrent execution, hardware modeling, synthesis capability, and simulation support. Let's start with Verilog Hardware Description Language. Verilog was created in 1984 by Gateway Design Automation. Its C-like syntax makes it relatively accessible to programmers. It's also widely used in the industry for application-specific integrated circuit, or ASIC, and field programmable gate array, or FPGA design. Here's a look at some basic Verilog syntax, including the module and gate, input A, B, and output Y. It also shows the assign Y is equal to A and B, and then the end module. Let's explore some of the design capabilities of Verilog. Verilog supports structural modeling, behavioral modeling, dataflow modeling, and mixed-level modeling. Here's a behavioral example of Verilog code. It starts with always at positive edge clock begin. If reset, then counter becomes 0, else counter becomes counter plus 1, and then end. Now let's discuss VHDL, which stands for VHDL Hardware Description Language. It was initially developed by the United States Department of Defense. It uses an ADA-based syntax with strong typing. Also, it is an Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEEE Standard 1076. Here's a look at some basic VHDL syntax, including the entity and gate is. Then we have the port, a B in standard logic, and Y out standard logic. Finally, the AND gate is ended. Let's examine some of the advantages of VHDL. VHDL offers strong type checking, extensive libraries, self-documentation capabilities, and support for hierarchical design. Here is an example of architecture of a counter. We start with the architecture behavioral of counter is begin process, clock reset. Next, if reset equals 1, then count becomes 0. End if, and then end the process in the behavioral. Now let's compare Verilog and VHDL. Verilog offers a C-like syntax and is generally considered easier to learn. It's an industry standard with flexible typing and compact code. On the other hand, VHDL employs an ADA-like syntax with strong typing. It's often preferred in academic settings and offers rich libraries and self-documenting capabilities. Let's explore some of the applications of hardware description languages, or HDLs. HDLs are used in application-specific integrated circuit design, field programmable gate array programming, processor design, and system verification. In conclusion, HDLs are essential tools for modern digital design. Both Verilog and VHDL serve the digital design community. The choice between them often depends on specific project requirements and the preferences of the design team. Are you ready to start your hardware description language journey? If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.